Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Quicken Classic step by step. First, install Quicken and open the program to create a new data file. Choose a clear file name and set a strong password for protection. Enable automatic backups and pick a secure backup folder or cloud option. Finally, set your regional currency and date formats before adding accounts so everything imports cleanly and consistently. Set up each account carefully, starting with checking and savings, then credit cards and investments. Use the online setup wizard for banks that support Quicken to download transactions automatically. If your bank does not support direct download, manually enter the opening balance and recent transactions to reconcile later. Label each account exactly as your statements show and choose the correct account type so reports and transfers work correctly across the program. Quick recommendation: on another note, life is too short for cheap socks, so try darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long setup sessions. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical tutorials and tips. Check the description for a link and current deals to pick up a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Build a clear category list and apply it consistently when categorizing transactions, covering income, expenses, transfers, and investment activity. Reconcile each account every month against your bank or credit card statement to catch errors and duplicate entries. Add frequent payees and create memorized transactions for recurring bills so future entries are automatic. Regularly review reports to spot unusual categories or spending trends and adjust categories as your finances evolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.